Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and I like to talk about makeup panning, nail polish, and sometimes things happening in my real life. Today I have my update for my Pan Those Eyeshadows. So if you're interested in seeing how it's going, then hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. Alright, I started Pan Those Eyeshadows to work on eyeshadows in my collection because I have a whole bunch and very few of them have pans. So to talk about, I have a focus palette that already has pans in it. It is the Marvycorn by BH Cosmetics in collaboration with Marvin Magnificent. At the start of this project, these are the only pans I had in my collection. And in fact, this one right here didn't even have pan yet. And this was a Pan That palette from 2022 or 2023. 2022, I think. So this is what it is looking like now. I am focusing on trying to finish this, just the eyeshadows. I'm not worried about the face powders in the middle, but I am slowly making progress on each of these, focusing on each one per month, but using the whole palette as a whole. Every day I do my makeup, I am using these two shades down here, Breakdown and Spray Tan, as my brow powder. And this month I was focusing on this one up here at Flaughter as my lid setting transition shade. And I've been working on Moana quite a bit. It's got the biggest pan of all the shades, and I'm hoping it'll be the first one done, but we'll see. So this is how this pan is looking like. If I have a picture, I will insert what it looked like last month. And yeah, hopefully I've expanded some of the pans. So that is my focus palette. Now, after that, I randomly selected 4 palettes, including singles as a palette, and then randomly selected a shade from each. So, to start with, the first one I selected was my singles drawer. That is all my potted singles, singles that are in packages, not depotted, which are all Natasha Denona. But my single potted shadows, and I randomly selected one here from Espionage Cosmetics, and it is called Dungeon Crawler. My goal for this project, I didn't say, so let me rephrase and say my goal for this project, besides hitting pan, is to use the products 25 times if I can't hit pan, because I'm not a heavy user, and so some of these might not get it. So, that being said, 25 uses or pan, and this is what it is right here. This one right here, you can see there's a little shiny pan in there. There's a happy little pan. Shiny happy pan. I ended up using this 20 times in total. I hit pan on it after 7 more uses after the last update. So that was on March 26th. And yeah, 20 uses to hit pan in this. I was focused on this. This was the eyeshadow I was wearing almost all the time over the last 2 months at least, because the first month I just wanted to play. But over February and March, this was the shadow I used almost exclusively. And so yeah, I finally met my goal and hit pan on that. So I have a rollout. Yay! I'm so excited. Now I have 11 pans in my collection because there are 10 in the Marvycorn and this one. No other eyeshadows in my collection have pan. The ones that did have pan have been decluttered because they were really old. So I'm excited. I have 11. I don't know how many. No, that's not true. I have 12 because I do have one Natasha Denona that was an eyebrow powder that I have pan in. So I have 12 pans in my collection. I don't know how many actual eyeshadow pans I have, but I have 12 eyeshadows with pan showing. Yay! I'm excited. I'm making progress. Okay, the next one I randomly selected is from the Revolution Makeup Chilled Palette, and I am working on this shade right here called Plant. I will try and insert a picture of what it looked like last month, and it is getting a dip in there. I don't think you're going to be able to see it because it is a matte shadow, but there is a dip forming in there. And so far I have used this 15 times. I was pairing it with the other shadow a lot because it had green in it, and March is green. So there is a swatch of it. Right now it is the only matte I have in the project. So that is it there. And I will give you a swatch of Dungeon Crawler on my other hand because it is a lovely shade. I mean, it really grew on me. It is quite a lovely shade. It is very versatile, I think. So there is Dungeon Crawler. It has got that brown base, but there's a blue, green shimmer in it. Really pretty. That one's rolling out. Okay, so that's Plant, used 20 times. Sorry, 15 times. And then next we have from BH Cosmetics the Galaxy Chic palette, and I randomly selected the shade Pluto, which is this one here. I do have it on today in the outer corner of my eye look. It looks very like it would be very dark in the pan, but really when I get it on my eyes, it kind of blends out and is not quite that dark. So there it is. There it is, a nice metallic bluish, purplish, gray, silver, gunmetal, all of those things. So yeah, that one I have used 9 times so far. It hasn't taken a high priority, but that's okay. It's going to get its chance. And then lastly, I selected the Glamlight Hershey's Kisses Special Dark Palette and selected shade number 4 in here, which is this one right here, which I have on the inner half of my lid, and it is getting a dip in it as well. This one has been used 8 times. No, sorry, 7 times. So this one also has not been getting as much use because I was focusing on that other one. And the purple and the gray didn't quite go with Dungeon Crawler, so they're gonna be more of a focus this month, I think. So that being said, that's how we are. Hopefully I had pictures of everything I had last month. So now it is time to bring in a new palette and select a shadow to work on. So I have all of my eyeshadows in here, all my palettes listed on the wheel. I have 18 palettes. I think that's the correct number, plus my singles drawer, which is my potted singles, and then all my depotted Natasha Denonas. So let's go ahead and spin and see what we get. My singles drawer, again. What are the odds? I don't want to eliminate things like that, but okay. So, let me check how many items I have in my singles drawer, and then we'll randomly select one. Okay, I have 6 eyeshadows in my potted singles drawer that are eligible for hitting pan on, eligible for this product. So I have them lined up in the front. There are 6, it said. Okay, I have them lined up, so we're just going to go from the front to the back and see what we get. Oh, you can't see that. 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it is a matte. Good. I like that. So we randomly selected from Medusa's Makeup. This is their matte eyeshadow in the shade Bermuda. I forgot to swatch that other one from Glamlight, so let me add that to my swatch lineup. So that is the Glamlight. So that is what our color story is looking like. And then we're adding this one, which is sort of a bluish gray. And like I said, it is a nice matte. So there is what it looks like. So I'm thinking we're going to get a lot of use out of these purples and grays. So that is what my color lineup looks like now. I have 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. So the green doesn't really go with anything right now, but I think I can make it work. I do have another single I'm brought into another project just for usage to help me use the green some more. So we'll see if we can do that. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel so you can follow along with my progress and see how many more pans I can hit before the end of the year and see if I can finish my Marvycorn. So that being said, remember to take care of yourselves, stay true to you, and I love you no matter who or what you are. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!